In today's video we are looking at multiples. Actually this is one of the first topics in mathematics, especially in junior secondary. Now when we talk of multiples, by definition a multiple is actually a number that is obtained when a number is multiplied by counting numbers. Actually you will come to talk about multiples of numbers after knowing what are whole numbers, what are natural numbers. That's when you come to multiples. Now here we are using the word counting numbers. When we talk of counting numbers, we are talking about natural numbers, and by definition we use this symbol. We use that symbol to indicate natural numbers. Therefore, the set of natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it continues up to positive infinity. So now when we get multiples of a number, for example, we can get multiples of 2. Now this 2 is the number that we are talking about. Given any number, in our case you are taking 2, therefore we write the 2 throughout, and then since we are saying that number should be multiplied by counting numbers, the counting numbers are the numbers in green. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can go on 7, 8, 9, and so on. Now we multiply 2 times 1 to get 2, and then 2 times 2 to get 4, and then 2 times 3 to get 6, and 2 times 4 to get 8, and 2 times 5 gives us 10, and 2 times 6 gives us 12, and then 2 times 7, 14, just like that. So that is how we actually get multiples of any given number. Now, although the definition says by multiplying by counting numbers, but we can see that the logic here is actually adding. We should keep in mind that the first multiple of any number, if you look at what we have here, the first multiple of the number 2 is the number itself, and then we keep on adding the same number, which is 2. To get 4 we add 2, to get 6 we add 2, to get 8. That is another way of remembering how to get multiples of a number. We can also get multiples of 5 here, where we multiply by the counting numbers. Here we are going to get 5, and then 5 times 2 is 10, and then 5 times 3 is 15, and then 5 times 4 is 20, and then 5 times 5 is 25, and then 5 times 6 is 30, and then 5 times 7, 35. You can see that the pattern now becomes 40, 45, 50, just like that. We are adding 5, 5, 5, 5, keeping in mind the first multiple of a number. For example, the multiples of 5, we start with 5, because when we multiply 5 times 1 you get 5, and then you add 5 to get 10, you add 5 to get 15, you keep on adding 5. In short, that is basically how to get multiples of any given number. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe so you can follow other videos that I will upload as time goes on.